Olá! Na trilha de conectividade e infraestrutura de áudio e vídeo, teremos uma conversa sobre um tópico super atual, Cloud Playout, ou seja, exibição utilizando a nuvem. Para desenvolvermos o assunto, temos conosco dois especialistas. Nossos convidados são Felipe Domingues, Pre-Sales Manager at Sys Group, e Igor Krol, CEO at Veset. Sejam bem-vindos à nossa trilha. Welcome to our track.
Hi, Felipe.
Hi. Hi, Igor. Hi, Calvila. Hi, everyone. So thank you for the opportunity.
Okay, guys, let's start our conversation.
So, hi, everyone. So, hi, Igor. First, I'd like to thank you for being here with us. So, Veset and CIS have been great partners in Cloud Playout environment. Can you tell us more about Veset?
Yes. So Veset was founded in Latvia in 2011, and now we are both based in Latvia and in London. We have around 25 customers, having 100 playouts running in 15 countries. We have been AWS partner for a long time, and we are advanced technology partner for AWS. And we're obviously very excited to have CIS as our partner in Brazil and US since 2019. We cover a broad range of linear television requirements from the point of view of playout. So we provide a full-fledged platform to launch and manage TV channels. It is a very flexible platform. It's cloud-based and basically runs on AWS or any other platform which is public cloud. We can create professional channels with broadcast-grade outputs and deliver them across the world. Our platform offers a full range of workflow capabilities and covers all the needs for linear television. We have two products, Veset Nimbus and Veset Stratus. One is more for professional linear television. The other one is simpler product for those who are trying to start linear television channel and don't know where to start with. So this is our just quick, basically background. Let's maybe talk a little bit more about what's going on in cloud overall.
All right. Thank you, Igor. Thank you for the introduction. So you have started in 2011, as you said. How do you see linear TV workflow adoption of cloud technologies over the past 9 years?
So I would say that TV industry overall is in a transition. It has been in transition for some time. We are obviously based in a playout space, and we can see this evolution. I've prepared here a slide which shows you how we see where we are today and where we are moving in the future. I think some parts of television, such as video on demand, has adopted cloud from the very start and have been using cloud as the main technology driver for evolution of this television, new form of television. Whereas linear television has existed for decades and has been slower in adopting cloud, but it has been moving in the same direction as video on demand. Today, we can see that there is coexistence of cloud and on-prem solutions quite widely, but with technologies such as ours and our competitors as well, I think there's more and more options for people to adopt cloud and get all the benefits which it brings with it. Obviously, it's been a long journey. We started in 2011, and back then people did not believe that linear television can run on the cloud. But we have many channels now which run on cloud playouts, and also we can see that there are many new use cases emerging from that cloud deployment of playout.
All right, thank you. Totally agree with that. So you sometimes refer to your platform as true Cloud Playout. What do you mean by that?
When we talk about true Cloud Playout, we are talking about playout or solutions which are deployed and designed for public cloud. Whereas some people may refer to cloud as something, some server remotely accessed. This is not a cloud in our understanding. Our solution runs on over a dozen of microservices in Kubernetes cluster in AWS. It can be deployed in other public clouds as well. But that's a huge difference when people talk about cloud. A cloud for us is this type of SaaS product which can deliver all the benefits of public cloud.
What are the main drivers behind transition from on-premise playout system to SaaS linear TV management systems?
Well, from my perspective, there are two key drivers: technology and consumption. Basically, these two drivers which actually underpin all the changes which happen in television. If we are talking about technology, we can see that most of things which are happening in media and distribution are IP driven. Also, when it comes to cloud, it's obviously natively internet based. And also, in terms of public clouds, which I've been talking earlier, economies of scale make a huge difference. And economies of scale for, let's say, AWS, Google, Azure, these companies have both capital, but also a huge technical expertise, which we can leverage off. I think even if you are a large media company, you have relatively limited resource compared to AWS when it comes to investing in technology. And I think for us to benefit from this is a huge boost. And also, obviously not just us, but also the industry overall. And what cloud also brings a lot, and technology brings is lots of uncertainty. Lots of things are changing, and cloud allows you to play with it and basically hedge your risks, as opposed to investing in something which can change overnight in the future. And obviously, cloud also flexible, and as people invest in it, you can share old and new standards using cloud. So it's not completely dismissive of what has been done in the past. It actually has a lot of power and capacity to process lots of different formats, also lots of different setups which are out there. And when it comes to consumption, what consumption obviously underpins is the business model. Everyone wants to have everything on demand, ultimately, right? So consumers don't want to be locked into long-term contracts. They want flexibility. They're also used to watch videos for free on YouTube. So it's completely new paradigm. So this pushes linear television into a new space. And that space is that everything has to be on demand, and it has to be focused probably more on live and live events happening on demand as well. Because linear television, what is linear television? Linear television is all about being live and being created in real time. And that's its big advantage, but we have to take that advantage and use new technologies to provide consumers with what they want. I would say also that if we are talking about SaaS versus on-prem, there are obvious advantages of SaaS over on-prem. Obviously, on-prem is something people know and many broadcast engineers are aware of. But it's obviously you get comfort from what you know, but at the same time, new technology bring you lots of other positives, which I have listed here. Obviously, speed to market, scalability, ability to work remotely as a team, comfortably designed for these products such as ours, allows you to spread workloads, and it has lots of advantages such as built-in redundancy and ease of integration. Many customers are very concerned about integrating, and I think cloud solutions are actually designed to be easy to integrate. So I think that's our view on how cloud solutions such as ours can help organizations to move from on-prem to SaaS easily.
A conversa sobre Cloud Playout continua com o Felipe e com o Igor no próximo episódio.